Previously, we looked at the Model 243 RFI locator. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the Model 246A. The 246A was built specifically for inside looking for problems indoors. It's used a lot in places with motors and generators to actually find problems with brushes and commutators. I'm going to show you, it has 4 bands. One is an H probe, which is a magnetic probe, this T-shaped probe here. That will pick up magnetic fields at close distance. It has an LF band, which is about 2 megahertz band center frequency. HF is about 10 megahertz, and UHF is about 350 megahertz. So this will pick up RF signals as well. I'll show you the same spark box here just to show you that it does work with that as well. I turn it on. I turn this on here. You have a gain control here, and then you have a bar display here. This here shows, this light comes on showing that it is a 60 cycle source that is actually picking up. This is at a high voltage transformer off of AC with a spark gap in here and radiating off the whip antenna. But you can see that it's this antenna here. And when it overloads, it will beep. And you see that it's actually radiating in all those bands, 2 megahertz, 10 megahertz, and 350 megahertz. But where this is really handy is on motors and generators and things like light dimmers. I do have a light dimmer here. These will cause interference inside of a house, so I'll turn this light dimmer on. And, well, there's nothing here up at UHF. This is going to mostly be lower frequency stuff. See, they're getting something in the LF here. And the HF probe here you can see that it's very sensitive to, you have to be right close to the dimmer. You can also, a dimmer, since it's connected to the house wiring, you can this will actually transmit through your house. It will affect mostly things like AM radios and stuff. But in an industrial application where you have big generators, actually it can be a preventive maintenance tool, because if you've measured the ends on the generators where the brushers and the commutators are, you'll know what it normally would sound like with the H probe. And so you can inspect it, you could record the number, like at gain of 8, it was 6 bars or something like that. But if there's something goes wrong where you start getting arcing inside the generator, you will be able to see something has, by periodic maintenance, you will say, hey, well, this is getting noisy. Maybe we need to go in there and check what's going on. So that's all I have for this right now. But like I said, this is very handy. Oh, one last thing. I'll just show you something else. One of the biggest noise things, creating noise, is like a fluorescent light. This is a CFL. And you can see it, since it's a small bulb, it doesn't make a lot of noise, but this will cause interference on some electronic things as well. That's all for now.